In this video, we will show you how to create system restore point on Windows 11. When you create a restore point, you can back up or you can restore your Windows in the current state. In here, let me show you how to do that. First, in here, you need to type restore point on your Windows search. Okay. After that, you can see there is create a restore point on the control panel settings. You can just click open. And make sure you have system protection here is on. You can see there. After you select the system or C drive, you can create a restore point. If you want to restore your system but you doesn't have the restore point, you can see the restore point is empty. Okay, no restore point have been created on your system. After we creating a restore point, we can restore our PC, laptops, or Windows 11 to current states. Okay, let's create one. After you clicking your system or C, just click create. For example, restore in the date, for example, 2026, just click create. After we creating a restore point, we can restore our Windows 11 if our Windows 11 is crashed or another. Okay, the restore point was created successfully. So when our Windows 11 not in the best performance, we can just click system restore here and we can restore in this current state. Okay, you can see there. That's all tutorial how to create system restore point on Windows 11. That very useful to restore your Windows 11 in the current state. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.